Grab your hard hats. It's Christina K, and we are back again with another floor plan walkthrough. This is the Farmington floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath floor plan with a 2-car garage. This floor plan is offered at the Meadows at Wilson Farms and is a 3-story townhome. As you can see on this lower level, you have a full bathroom with a shower and a bedroom. Let's head up to the second level, which some may call the main level of this townhome. Here you will find the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. There's also a half bath on this level, or a powder room as some may call it. Let's go up to the final level of this townhome to take a look at the owner's suite, the bedroom number 3, and bedroom number 2. There is a full bathroom that both the secondary rooms do share, which has a shower tub combo. As you can see, each floor plan is laid out slightly different from the other, but they are all 3-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhomes. I'm sorry, 3.5-bath townhomes. If you're interested in this floor plan or any other floor plan, please be sure to click the links in my bio. I would love to take you on a private tour. Please remember that this community does qualify for my standard representation package, which gives you up to 1% rebate when working with me when building or buying your dream home. As always, I want you to enjoy finding your new home. Happy house hunting!